What can you do when your sensory seeking child has hit the point of no return? They're overstimulated, they're upset, they're anxious, they really need some help calming down. These are those ADHD or autistic children. What they say, they have a hyposensitive brain. They're looking for input, but they're often unable to self-regulate and know when enough is enough. And so those poor little bodies get stuck in fight or flight. They need help engaging or turning on their parasympathetic rest and digest system. Over the years with my own kids and others, I found that light touch, hugging, compression was actually really irritating to those children. They really wanted a firmer massage. I really had some success with some of the techniques from Qigong massage for special needs by Dr. Luisa Silva. I would incorporate those techniques. I'd start very fast and then over time slow the techniques down. So I'm meeting the child where they're at and I'm guiding their nervous system down from high alert back to calm. So in the video that you're going to watch, my pressure is both light and firm. I'm not whacking them, but it's also very quick. So it's just very quick, light, but firm touch. I'm not smacking them really, really hard, but that firm touch is actually very, very calming. So you start very fast and then you're going down the body, you're going downwards, which is a very soothing thing to go down the nervous system. And then I start to slow it up. So enjoy the video. Hi, today we're going to talk about a massage technique that helps with either ADHD or autistic child that is what I call a sensory seeker, whose sensory issues are they're easily overwhelmed, they're hyperactive, they're easily irritated, and light touch massage with the, it's very irritating. They like the firm pressure and stimulation. I'm going to show you a technique that I learned from Chinese Qigong massage from Dr. Luisa Silva. This is an excellent book. Definitely get her book and learn more. It's been very, very helpful. This is one of my absolute favorites. So as we said in other videos, make sure that you have permission. The room is warm enough. The child is comfortable as possible, but realize that the reason why we're doing this is in their state. They're feeling just really overwhelmed and irritated. And this type of massage is calming for them. Josh, do I have your permission? Thank you, Josh. Okay, he's my youngest. So one of the things that you want to do is have your hands sort of in a cupping position. And the nice thing is that as we're going to go down from the head, down the back, and down the legs, with this technique, what's also really great with your hands in cupping position, as you go over the lung areas, if the child's got some congestion, mucus in the lungs, this will really help to break it up. So I start with my hand in cupping position and firmly, quickly, but fairly light. I'm not hurting him. So my hand is cupping. I'm going to start at the crown, the top of the head. You can do this on the bed and you're going to go down the back. So it's light, it's fast, it's firm, but it's quick. And I'm going to go down the spine. And I'm going fast. This is really good for sensory. Down the butt, down the back of the legs. Be careful of any bruises. And then I let you really pound the bottoms of the feet. We're going to do that 3 times. Cup, 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 cup. Down the back. And again, the 3rd time. We're going over the spine, separate on the glutes, and down the back of the legs. Now the next one I'm going to do is I take my fingers and I tap at the top of the head, behind the ears, and then cupping, and I'm on either side of the spine at this time, still going fast, firm, down the back of the legs, and do that 3 times. Last time here. Keep your hands cupped. Now, what I like to add at this point, a little extra thing is I'm going to focus on the back now. So I started really, really fast, firm, pounding, of going down the back. Is what I'm going to start to do, always going downwards. Don't go up, that's very stimulating to the nervous system. Always go downwards. Is I'm going to keep pounding. My hands are cupped. I'm on either side of the spine. This is sort of my little take that I added on to Dr. Silva's work, is I'm going to start to slow my hands down. I'm trying to talk to his nervous system. His nervous system's been really overwhelmed. He's been just like going like Speed Racer. So I matched his energy. I went fast to match his energy. Now he's calming down. I'm going to start to just slow it down. And really, it's up to you and the child of how long you're going to do this. This might help them sleep and relax at night. What we're trying to do is just turn off that hyper sympathetic nervous system. How are you doing, Josh? Doing good? Yeah. If you might notice their breathing, they start to breathe a lot deeper, a lot slower. That's a good sign. They might even hum. If they start, especially with an autistic child, if you notice they're humming, that's actually a good sign. It means they're calming down. So after you've kind of slowed it down, then finish with some hand over hand stroking down the spine. You can start at the head. So remember, with these sensory seekers, firm touch. Not harsh, but just firm, slow, repetitive, down the body. And then finish with some squeezes to the bottoms of the feet so it feels complete. And there you have it.